Hi YouTube, I have a little tutorial here to show you how to automate your vacation settings in Gmail. So in Gmail, there's a setting here. Oh, I gotta log in first. There we go. I don't need to save a password. In fact, never save passwords. Alright, so I'm logged into my Gmail. If you look under settings, settings, see all settings, and right down at the bottom is your vacation setting. Some people use this when they're going away for a long time, or if you're going to be out of the office. So this is great, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to come in here if you want to set this for every single day. For example, like at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe you want to turn this on, or maybe have this on come on automatically on weekends. Well, I'm going to show you how to automate that using JavaScript. If you go to script.google.com, you'll get something like this. And we're actually going to write a script that will turn that setting on at a specific time. So we'll go new project. Give it a nice name instead of untitled project. I'm going to call mine out to lunch. Out to lunch. Because I'm completely out to lunch. And rather than writing a script here, I've done all the hard work for you. You'll be able to copy and paste this from the link inside the YouTube as well. And if I'm going way too fast here, no worries. You can follow the link right below here in YouTube, and you can copy and paste from there. And there'll be step-by-step instructions. Okay, so what I did here is I'm copying this, and I'm pasting it here. And just to quickly look at what the script does, is it checks what the date is, it gets the day of the week, gets what hour of the day it is, and then it just does some logic. If it's before 8 a.m., or if it's past 4 p.m., or if the day is 0, which means Sunday, or the day is 6, which means Saturday, Saturday or Sunday. So if any of these are true, then it will set an out of office reply. If none of those are true, then it turns off the out of office reply. And the functions here just turn on and off the out of office reply. And you can change this to say whatever you want, right? That will be the subject of the bounced email, out of office, and this can be the message. You can just put in whatever you want in there. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to save it. Save. And I'm going to publish it. Deploy as web app. And we're immediately going to have a problem with it, I'll bet. But it's okay because it's a good demonstration. We're actually going to try to run it. Run function. Right, look at that. It says Gmail is not defined. So even though we try to change a Gmail setting, we don't have access to do so. That's no problem. It's because we haven't turned on the Google services, the API for Gmail. So go in here to resources, then advanced Google services, and we're looking for Gmail. Ooh. We need to accept these things. First time I'm doing it on this account. This is good that it's showing me this. You need to agree to this stuff. I don't need to receive emails. Okay. I think that's all we needed to do. Now let's try it again. Here we go. So just to review, I went to resources, then advanced Google services. First time you do that, you need to go accept the terms, I guess. And we're looking for Gmail. There it is, Gmail API. Just turn that on. Okay. Click OK. And now it should run okay. Let's see if this actually runs. Oops, right there. Auto reply switcher. Oh, we need to give this script permission to change things. So review permissions. That's me. It says out to lunch, we'll be able to manage your basic mail settings, which is exactly what we wanted to do. Click allow. And now when we run it, it should run just fine. And just to check, I'm going to open a new tab here and go back to my Gmail and look at that setting. There you go, out of office is on. And if we look at the vacation settings, you'll actually see it put in that message that I asked it to. Right, here's that message and it's on. The reason that's happening is because it's, what's today's date? Today is Sunday and it's 9:39 a.m. So this part here is true. This one here. Today is Sunday. So it does this. So on Monday morning at 8 a.m. this will run and it will turn it off. Okay. So we don't want it to, you don't want to have to come in here and click this all the time to run this script. So we're going to automate this script using this thing here. Okay. We're going to give it a trigger. Right now there are no triggers. We're going to add a trigger. We're going to say version 1 of your script. If you make any changes, you'll see newer versions here. It's going to be time driven. Every so many minutes. I'm going to run it every 15 minutes. You don't need to run this script over and over and over and over again. Every 15 minutes should be good. If you want to just do testing, you can do every minute, but every 15 minutes should be good. And save. And now we're done. And we'll come back here in 15 minutes, so 9:41, let's say. What's 15 minutes on top of that? 9:56 or so, and see if it's actually run here. Look at my executions. Oh, it did run a couple of times while I was testing. Good stuff. All right, so if we sit here and wait till 9:46, then we should see that here as well. Okay, anyway, that's it. If you follow the link in the video below, it should go to the website where I have the code that you can copy and paste, and you can ask questions or whatever on that website. All right, thanks.